Every one of you to come a little closer. Let's be closer and celebrate music.
UMO cái thằng đó form sa hiểu aims and objectives thì cái outcome mấy thay nữa.
Ishi UMO hi first organized sao quy răng là like singum tra do 7 years in band sara hai ni itum kharjan sara shon raga itum Ukhrul Music Organization aka mother ga saida phone and communicate sa laga 2017 ni issue main sa laga ni interested musician dedicated musician bi umzip sare samang sare actually this is the right time to me kasi sare laga itu bi organized sawe actually and ajagum organized sawe laga ajagum ketot raga na sawe laga rural music day da issue with bird sada issue organization UMO with bird sada ajagum 21st June World Music Day hi issue with birthday rakata nei and internationally kila World Music Day ba me and itum sada organized sawe
the hui kamyon as hi da hi kan thum na hi ka effort sang da hi hui wang da what is so special
ke tui high thoti ja nai ning cover musicians we here you could live a level hi teura ga na le sai ka itum nei khok ka sa than ni hak mai da rai and itum nar ka ok thui abam ga dai de le sala especially it mui stay there in ska infal and region and se cover Guwahati Assam Shillong Nagaland atum le compare sa ga step by step khoi man ka ok thui level li ka sangai
Welcome to the World Music Day. No we music perform sa pok ki ka try na perform sa pok to.
Singum mai na hanga. At least college ka ba dum china perform.
Kikum
2012.
Okay, lagana nara nali mi na thai me khai re hi no we the first breakthrough hi ka chi we na kra.
The new voice and live we somebody in 2014 yeah you take with a Gina
okay no we congratulations on your first release no release hai no we first single to maram nik teo ka mai thai ni
love lyrics budget you guys work me really lani kala the music we are no don't be so young cho mi la ship return mai na ni da ka dom sa da akali john ku bangai na actually this is
okay na music khang na hi na ki ta music na do
live pop ka yin ning jang la ke jin na blues la ning jang
okay lagana we na hi music la sa da na hi instrument sing de ria the instrument sing ka ki ta instrument sing dai na kai ba ni ka keyboard ba mer ka Sikjina dam lay. Okay, ara igari na we first release it. Hey, some can we expect more release in the coming months?
Expect sapa ira ishla. Kadam mathang mai da or gashung mai da sak pai ready sa lay.
Okay, nahi na we la music release adam ni nahi as a team or sang ma tha ba.
Team mai na sang ru da shop.
Okay, na ara na we going forward na we hiwe na we dreams and aspirations keep pursue sang ai ki lay.
Iva music ning song mo kala da you like the music mo ida you music is a America da matai mai da in a sak ngai music album li sarla you mu ka shun kher or in a ma shun ma da kleje mathang mai da pursue zala ga ka shun aga ya professional zala ga ya singer la hang sang nai.
Okay, now we favorite singer hi kibara.
Just only ning chang la ke.
Okay. Now make up then nahi nawi upcoming release pinjili na lyrics fai mom chu.
Ham chuk tele ke shock la shogara sai ka adam tha tiu mai ka zang la bai ngai ron da mathang mai da sa fai sa stem chu.
Okay, na boyfriend lei do.
I'm lame nya.
Jo ni sinai. Why the name Shahing?
Ana rahingen ra ina sai zain ra la ga sai za wen sai kui rahing wen hing kui la sai hing
Ni kim ni ka transform sa
2016 17
the ni kim we music videos na fans chung le jaina ara congratulations on that. The ni kim we first music break hi la ga ba we na song ko.
you here first year the new album yang first album khnui thot phai chak ta ga sai go chi we na da ni de ya ri thai bu man
The ni kim we most the personal sa make up la mang wa the ni sa
Bye.
ye.
Akshimang kringen here she was by na pra we story ne
Okay.
na we ana how was ya de ka meo chen na how we story sa sa ka akshimang kring by na ba the imam no sim break the likni ya ni la sa ngai we ani ni we enthusiasm jille siba ja da teu express na de ni
Okay. The ni we lyrics hi the popular sa na ji la jaina lyrics hi ki ba na form sa la ga music hi ba da ki ba na compose sa.
music ba ana compose sai and tuning and lyrics ba inina both
Ask question. Yari na thingai make up to question. The ni hi girlfriend le.
wish ne ni phana ni ya chi Ukhrul Music Festival आज 21st दिन जा भया का 22 ले खुल्लम था नि नचर ले नि ले हो बिवां इन सा बिवां फाना ये इता इवेंट खकिरा सम नि फाना ये हंगाय नि सिनाय रे so नि सिनाय रे
Hi Yung, welcome to Ukhrul. Aran na we maram itum the first ina kala yari bi the first take bogi ina mangwi sa ka first kiss le re. Jaina na question his first kiss and how okay first kiss si kibaw wang kapik mi le hi.
She the exactly the again mang sa ya the create uni le ga jar ne chi we dang la no pa chi the awina ki sa sam na dan ran kya ko shi le the experience now je chi we the chi things sa san
Okay, like no na lag to really sai li lyrics being him thana ye deep sala ge then the lyrics hi kiban ka pi gala no we tune hi la ka te hang khai tune na hane jaina tune la kiban ko posami.
lyrics la ina ko pie na tune na the compose ya
Okay, na ka thum really sai li no wang personal sa make up ki la ji ki bang sara.
yo bang ji phina ina hok bokla na ga ji la no bali full the dedicate sa kai la da ne ada ina gyak li shi sa ana ile ka da maximum da da ji sta
No we lyrics no we na la ki dam hi no we lyrics hi meaningful sa la ge jaina na we inspiration ni ga jaina ra klik ji thengai.
inspiration ni ba da real iwi shokai da shokai ni shokai means that chili bisala da kira chena krani ji ba means that nya somda ba madam ning tulain kam chu katam kali da ra
Lagana na la tune compose sa dam ni na ki music instruments sing ga sa.
Acoustic
Okay, na la compose ka sa hi lyrics compose sa hi da average tam pungya sa.
ning sang da sa ka ba da sangai la ga nak sa dam da idam ni motivation ji le la lang sai ka chi ba thangya da li kup su ya ka da ning da masang du je ka ba hapta lang
Okay, which means na lag chung ka pi le release sa fai la plan le la.
le
Okay, ka tran expect sa fai ra fans ni na.
this month ninga next month madada akwa sura de idang ma zonya music video na pon da
Oh, okay. Laga na we la between sa hai sili akla ji yu wang in a relate sa bai make up ji la hane so na na akla we la hi ka tha ka biao ki bai ka biao ji ka deu me khen mi la.
glai depression means that depression la ne laga expense da jiga mi secret chung muthum laga zip da kri da ma phong sok te la da akla da jingnam da ba mo chita bing ji da kokdom za da in laga a thmang ning nei il ha jang le ne thum ni rum la da la jen kon da hope khni sak san.
Okay. So now Ukhrul perform kya shi sai ra?
In a first right. So are you excited? My excited.
Okay. Welcome to E-khon. Nashi club band members, the band member introduce some.
Okay, Augustine Shimri, and I'm the founder of the band Featherheads Halkui. Next. My name is Ukhrul Shimri. I'm the percussionist.
You are mean sign. We are the horse schneider. We wins. Then band guitarist.
Okay, thank you. Nashi music genre follow sa like ni itu mi khangja sa we nang te khang lai je na. Nashi wang challenges malay and how difficult is it or is it easy?
Right, the challenging sara ge jikha he gdai the same raghai or the footstep follow harmony inclusion the trend create sa koi sa do yogi the Around October, Hans around October, modern music, color, hip hop, or electronic music that play here. Adam like her, we are only in the how both modern rock, alternative rock, and that's the issue. The G gel, Sali, the as in we perform. Not only for our community, but we go from place to place and then we sing in our own dialogue also. Communicate in the end they look at us and then they respect us because we are getting what we have in our midst and then we just nearly dying and then it is our vision to resurrect this and then to honor inspire Sami Kwai footstep he follows Hawaii itum bang the ari bang Guru Ruben the John Kumine ka awi genre and issue genre bang te hinga jikho issue folks are like issue then alternative that itum own taste some kind the struggling over when I came back in Ukhrul. Actually, this band was formed in 2012 in Delhi with a vision and with a complete different lineup of different guys from different cities and different tribes. We struggled because Ukhrul platform is subdued. Why don't we gospel sausage? Because to or die music. Either we sing in the church or the concert, it doesn't matter as long as we keep on singing and then we want to spread the message.
What has been the biggest challenge for Featherheads?
Featherheads we challenge how we do the way we look, the way we dress up, the way we present ourselves. It's like taboo for our people these days, but outside we get the most attention in a way because we sing, we perform, because we are telling stories. And then if people are not paying attention, what's the use of telling the stories just to yourself and nobody's listening? So this is like a weapon, this is like a power that we have dressed up ourselves, and the attention just seeks up. We get the right attention by what we are, how we look right now. So it's like a big weapon for us. It's very challenging to go around in the normal society like this, but we face lots of things. Lots of questions, you know. That's a biggest challenge, but we are used to it now. We don't care much.
Okay, and what would be your advice to the young aspiring musicians? Because I can see that Featherheads is already one of the pioneers. So anything that you want to say to the young aspiring musicians?
Uniqueness, ayarli maklay dibahi khusho cover ayarli was a by cover. People want something different from the ordinary these days, so it is there. It really uniqueness. It's not like use your roots, use your tradition, culture, and expose it, and then use it wisely and to the target, have a vision, plan out strategy sembro kathada vara kajili vatamra kathada sabai kra strategy ke sebi ta asan lai ka shabai dang da machim lo chaga ba manga ba bai bai acha ka bai thum ba za sai tama kha after resurrecting, after coming out from that shell, it opened up so much. So it's beautiful to enjoy music just freely without any alcohol or drugs.
We have heard your single release, E-khon, if I'm not mistaken, which was a big hit with more than 30,000 views on YouTube. So is there any more single release that we can look forward to?
Actually, single I'll just omit the name also. It's called Ningshi Haira. It's another E-khon is also a gospel for us. It's like we are sharing our gospel about how to treat nature, how to behave ourselves. That way, this one is called Ningshi Haira. It is again giving thanks to the Creator and to God also. We are expecting the single very soon. Right now, the recording is going on with Alex and Okcher at Kazok's studio. So we are hoping by the end of this year, maybe, or earlier than that, if we can.
Okay, welcome to World Music Day. Ari, nashina anchi klata self-introduce samilo band we maram kala band members ting.
Hello, actually, audio back way Ukhrul Music she guitarist in dance song kan singum fucking she drummer
so simi singum na 19
vocals and guitars rare my 16
this in places sing time kushu 17 years.
Initially, Ukhrul national being Ukhrul Korean oppa like a BTS the khangzek chung shaya. Jane in a curious how he even national music last other original song cover songs ha.
The cover let's say original let's say.
Okay, national original sa dam hi nashi kibana lyrics composer kibana tuning sami like a nashi inspiration hi gitme na.
The lyrics were in a bio the vocals are in a tuning crowd national music jump say inspiration the kind of from our daily lives daily lives youth big with the
Okay, nashi hi genre li sa la hi
alternative Christian rock genre.
Okay, kiwangai na alternative Christian rock arho na shopping pop katha blues katha sa le. Why this particular choice?
Kishina tada kishu Ukraine ba tada leidak lekni thot bile pop music bali muling la tada Christian music bali focus sam ko tada mine da sani.
Okay, nashi he form sa da kya sangai ra impact ye?
2016.
Okay, taka performance hi kya shi sai ra?
Performance shiva recollect umthar me kha shiva method da Christian events church le da sai.
Okay, nashi original release sa fai plan ko tham sa le do.
Sadly school na sponsor sami da.
Okay, school na.
Calvary School of Music and Worship da.
Okay, ka try na expect sa bai right na.
Maybe this year.
Okay. All right, thank you. All the best. Hi Thomas. Welcome to E-khon. We have a question for you. You as a professional musician, what would be the pros and cons of choosing music as a career in the context of Tangkhul society?
Actually, if I speak in terms of Tangkhul in particular, but in generally in Ukhrul, I have a very less idea because I'm not staying here, I'm based in Delhi. But Tangkhul, living outside the Ukhrul district, especially in Delhi, there are a lot of youngsters, there are a lot of musicians who are into music as a career. There are, I think, more than 30-40 of them. They have a very, I would say, they have a very steady, what do you call, career. I would like to encourage our people here, especially after they do their rudimentaries in music here. I would advise them to go abroad. I mean, go outside of this district and then explore the what do you call, musical field. So you have a lot of scopes. You can make a good career out of music, I would say.
Okay, coming back to Ukhrul from a big school like Delhi School of Music, what do you have to say about the World Music Day that the UMO is organizing today?
First of all, I'm very happy to see our people here organizing the World Music Day, especially spearheaded by the UMO. I'm very grateful that they have given me the opportunity to be part of it. It is a good privilege for people here who are into music. They come together in this type of what do you call, in this auspicious day for a musician to come and showcase their talent, their ability, so that people will know them, and then people will know, they encourage them so that they can make a career out of that. There is no risk actually. If you are sincere and dedicated to the field, I'm sure you will have a success in music career.
Okay. What about the bands or the particular music artists who wants to stay here in Ukhrul and make this their base? How would you advise them to take it forward in their music career?
As I said earlier, I have a very limited idea here in Ukhrul district, but I came to know there are a lot of schools coming up now. They are giving good music education, I believe. So yes, we can make a career here also. But the employment, the resource which you want, I think we have a very limited opportunities here. Like example, we have done a grade 8 exams. Example, we have done the Trinity grade exams. But here, how do you employ them? No, compared to Delhi and metro cities, you get a lot of money. I mean, you earn quite a lot of money compared to here. So my only advice is to do the basic things here, learn the things, and then I suggest you to go outside the district and then explore and learn
Đi chơi đấy tâm nhiều quá, yêu mình làm nhiều ấy, đi chơi trịch nào đấy, Grace Music School hi 2017 đi là hình cả cái này, Grace Music School hi aru like zugum cái này tham mang rất phật lệ, so cái tầm nó chúng nó mà hay là cái aru hi cái Ukhrul cái tầm nó có chúng nó lấy đều, cái là lang mấy đó music hi cái nó bên chắc nó sao bây giờ cái kia sang sắc cái đó cái đó là đó chắc không mình sang mirror thôi cái đó financially nó or kinds of đó tâm nó chỉ bao giờ mình sang mirror thôi cái đó cái này là một chút cái đó nói hết ra welcome to Sarum này lang mấy đây nó welcome sang cái mình sang là cái gì like share with exactly just maybe 5 to 10 Usually, that select the class committee. As UMO second edition World Music Day in the second edition school as we join us Sunday. In a daily that join Sunday. Some of few students are grade 8 pass some so I hope you usually the target to join the Sunday. Then the school here after Sunday the gym time the Saturday Saturday. Ngã ba vào cái đó cái cái đi Ukhrul musician bị chốt lại cái financially chốt lại cái là financially á cái lang mấy đó ít mình jamming room rồi nó kinds of music với cái đó chịu bị áp hàng gì đó ít mang số track lệ cái là struggle track say so ít là Ukhrul music khi cái tầm nó track lệ expect làm sao bấm nè tầm mà bấm vào chịu đi á ở đây đang gặp sao thằng bà Ukhrul music with like institution rồi maybe jamming room recording whatever chỉ ít gym thay cái nào lệ đang gặp say ai ở bên là ít thằng cái đó ai quên rồi, thêm nhiều hỗn cả, tấm tấm seminar sa, chỉ là sai thì là ít mang tất cả, cái đó rồi sang cái bài lấy yêu soi là hay.
Thế là nông lang ở Asia là World Music Day, beyond the Ukhrul beyond the cái là important ha.
World Music Day beyond the hi, creative vấn đề sao này cả World Music Day gì vậy mình phối à cho có mấy nữa ít là chỉ sao không được creative lấy sai lấy với ít bao này li apply mà sang số cái đó cả cho không sai ra cho không sai thì li ra li ít mình tra cái sang sắc lấy gì bao not only music like event partner no ít mình là communication đi là cái đó giao lưu đi cái đó là rất là gì đó tra cái dùng là để sang thấy cái quy là xong một mấy trên đó as a trainer ít mình tra cái struggle sai like cái instrument cảm thấy là kita provide some mirror này itu mi syllabus itu lah tadi itu kita struggle saat leh kita salah hope in future level tadi tham mình sao vậy sao cái là apong gì phạc bay phạc là cái số cái này nó số mình tadi itu kita tahu hiện tại itu kita future li or sao bay có ring bay vô gì itu kita hàng tầm chỉ thấy mà cái not only in music but like itu mi mấy sao cái đó sai cái mà rằng là ai ai mới sai là tadi itu mi sao bay gì là cái này là hàng sai bay là hàng sai này. Thank you.